To make a monster bookmark, you will need to take this square piece of paper along with some scrap pieces of paper, and you'll need to use scissors, a pencil, and a glue stick. So let's begin. First, you take the square and you fold it diagonally like this. Run your finger along the fold so it's nice and sharp. Then take these two, let's fold it this way. Take these two edges and fold them to the center like this. And like this. Run your finger along the fold. So now you have a square. Okay, I'm going to flip it around, open it, and now I'm going to take this top flap and fold it into the center like this. Run my finger across the fold. So then the top flaps fold over it. Now I'm going to take my one flap and I'm going to fold it inside that middle section. And now I will take the other flap make it nice and flat and fold it inside the other half. Once again, I'm running my finger along the folds so they are nice and sharp. There we go. Now I have a square with a pocket. So to make this a monster, I then need to take a scrap piece of paper and cut out 2 circles. They don't need to be the same size, but they can. Okay. And then I'm going to take another scrap and cut out a smaller circle. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to glue the white circles on top of my pink circles. And then I will put glue on the back of my pink circles to make, actually, like that. To make the eyes, just like that. But now my monster also needs some teeth. So I will take another scrap piece of paper, measure it to be just a little bit shorter than the width of your triangle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some teeth. But you notice I leave this space up above so I have some room to glue. So now I'm going to cut along my zigzag line for the teeth. Just like that. And I'm going to put some glue right on the top part of my teeth, and I'm going to glue it inside the top flap. Just like this. There is my monster. And I can use my monster as a bookmark. Just like that. Enjoy!